Did you know that only about 10% of people are left-handed, while the other 90% are right-handed? Here's where it gets interesting. Being right-handed or left-handed goes way beyond just which hand you write with. It affects how you think, create, and even experience the world. Let's dive into the fascinating world of handedness and discover what makes each side unique. Why does handedness matter? It all comes down to the brain. The left and right sides of the brain control different functions. Right-handed people are typically left brain dominant, while left-handed people often have stronger connections in their right hemisphere. This division influences not just our physical actions, but also our cognitive processes. Right-handers are usually more analytical and logical, while left-handers are often more creative and intuitive. This brain wiring shapes how we approach problems, express ourselves, and interact with the world around us. Right-handers, with their left brain dominance, excel in areas requiring precision, logic, and organization. They are often good with language and analytical tasks. This makes them well suited for roles that demand structured thinking and attention to detail. Whether it's solving complex equations or crafting detailed plans, right-handers bring a methodical approach to their endeavors, making them invaluable in fields that require systematic thinking. Left-handers, on the other hand, are wired differently. With their right brain dominance, they tend to shine in art, music, and creative problem-solving. They are often more intuitive and good at thinking outside the box. This creativity allows them to approach challenges with fresh perspectives, leading to innovative solutions. Some of the most creative minds in history, like Leonardo da Vinci, Nikola Tesla, and Albert Einstein, were left-handed, using their unique wiring to change the world. Their ability to think differently and creatively helped them break new ground in their respective fields, leaving a lasting impact on the world. But it's not all smooth sailing for lefties. In a world designed for right-handers, lefties often have to adapt. Everyday objects like scissors or desks are made for the majority, so left-handers develop a natural adaptability and problem-solving ability just by navigating a right-handed world. This constant adaptation fosters resilience and ingenuity, equipping left-handers with unique skills that serve them well in various aspects of life. Some left-handers are also ambidextrous, meaning they can use both hands with ease. This gives them a unique advantage when it comes to multitasking and flexibility. Ambidextrous individuals can switch between tasks seamlessly, making them adept at handling diverse challenges. This ability to use both hands effectively enhances their adaptability and opens up new possibilities in both personal and professional settings. In many spiritual traditions, the right and left sides of the body represent different energies. The right side, controlled by the left brain, is linked to masculine energy, associated with action, logic, and control. The left side of the body, controlled by the right brain, is linked to feminine energy, connected to intuition, emotion, and creativity. These subtle differences shape not just how we think, but also how we feel and interact with the world. So whether you're a right-hander, analytical and logical, or a left-hander, creative and intuitive, your brain is wired in ways that make you unique. Each handedness has its strengths and challenges, but together they show us the beautiful diversity of how human brains and bodies work. Embracing this diversity enriches our understanding of human potential and fosters a more inclusive world. And here's something fascinating. It's not about one being better than the other. Both sides balance each other out. The world needs the creativity of left-handers just as much as it needs the precision of right-handers. Whatever hand you use, remember, your handedness is just one piece of your unique story. Embrace your strengths, tap into your potential, and celebrate the ways your brain helps you interact with the world. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Rabbit Hole 101. Stay curious, explorers.